We're going to be replacing this residential boiler. It's 256,000 BTU. It's leaking water. It's very young, but it's leaking water already. I believe this boiler is maybe less than 7 years old. And so if you look over here, there could be a lot of reasons why it's leaking. Number one, this is an old building and the pipes are quite rusted. But if you look to see where the header pipe is and the riser pipe is, all right, you can see that it's not getting good clean steam. The riser pipes are going right in the middle of the header pipe, and on each end of the header pipe there's the steam pipes where it gets distributed. So one side is not getting clean steam, and it happens to be the larger side. So this is really bad. And here you can see where, you know, the equalization is on the other side. So we're gonna take care of this. You're now looking at the new boiler in place with the old one removed. You can see we made some rearrangements of the piping so that it'll deliver clean steam. This is the riser pipe and the header pipe, where you can see it's been repositioned so that steam travels properly and will deliver clean steam to the piping system of this building. You don't want to have dirty steam because it carries condensation with it, and it creates rusting conditions. And so you want to make sure that when you have a boiler installed, you know, it's well worth the investment to do it right. And that's what we do for you. Here you're looking at the completed look of this large steam boiler for this residential. This is an area that needs to be heated quite a bit, and you can see the arrangement of the riser pipe, the header pipe, as well as the main steam pipes, the equalization, as well as the Hartford loop. These piping have to be done right, otherwise you can, you know, disperse condensation up into the steam pipes and cause it to rust. Here's the look of the digital automatic water feeder. This is something you'd want because this will feed water automatically when you're away. Plus you can monitor the amount of water usage. And you can see the flue piping here, where we install heavy duty flue piping. We don't cheapen out on metal. Same thing goes with the copper pipe. We use heavy duty copper. So if you have a steam boiler, a hot water boiler, condensing boiler, or whatever type of variety you like, please consult us. We're here to answer whatever questions you may have. My name is Joseph Rudis. I'm the General Manager for Handyman of America. Thank you.